Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're down in Dallas, Texas. We've just finished up a project here, mounting a 65-inch Samsung frame TV with a Sonos ARC in white, and we've got an Apple TV with a dish Joey, all been controlled by Control4. We'll give you a walkthrough right after the intro. All right, so we've got you zoomed out here so you can see everything. So we've going back up. This whole wall is going to be covered in picture frames for the customer. They wanted something that would blend in really nicely. So we'll zoom in so you can see this a little bit, just more without the fisheye on it. So they wanted something that's just going to blend in and not even notice the TV. There's just an extra room in here that they just added on. So as you can see, we've got, let's just go ahead and open up this cabinet here. Down here, we've got the recharging station for the SR260, which we can put right here. They've got a watt box back here, 10 outlet watt box. Down here, we've gone ahead and they're going to be putting a game system in here for the grandkids. We've got that set up here so they can bring that over. Down here, we've got the one connect box for the Samsung TV. We've got the dish Joey, the Control4 EA1, and the Apple TV. So we're going to pull out the remote. They've got the soft closed doors, and we've got the Sonos ARC there. So we've got everything connected here with the SR260. So if you hit watch, this will launch the dish box. So this brings everything up here. As you can see, everything is loading. Everything can be controlled with the SR260 remote here. The volume on here, and you actually get volume feedback from the Sonos. So we know what we're doing here. We can mute it and unmute it, turn the volume down, change the channel. Whatever you want to do, you want to pull up the DVR. This pulls up the DVR and the recordings, your guide, pulls up the guide, etc. Everything you want to do from here. So let's say they want to go and watch the Apple TV. You just hit watch Apple TV, and it automatically switches everything over. So then this remote controls the Apple TV. They can go and select whatever they want and watch however they want to do it. And now the way we have it set, they can actually come and go to listen and go to whatever source they want to listen to. They can select the Control4 button, and that'll bring up the Control4 menu here, which gives you an on-screen display for the Control4. So you can see that it is now playing the Apple TV, and that will actually bring us right back to the Apple TV. That also allows you to go in for listen to music. It controls if they had cameras in the house, they would be able to pull up their cameras. Really anything, thermostats, door locks, anything can be controlled through that. So with the frame TV, if you want to go back into the frame, you just hit off. And this will actually turn the TV right back to frame mode and art mode. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Please give us a big thumbs up and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. We are authorized dealers for Sonos, Samsung. We do Control4, obviously. We sell pretty much we are direct authorized dealers for pretty much all the products that you see in our videos. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we can come out to your home or business and help you set up the system that you need, get you the right products, and set up just the way you need in your particular application. There's no two systems that are exactly the same, so you want to make sure that you're getting set up for what you need. We do have free nationwide shipping for all of our products as well. So please give us a call at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Again, it's 972-905-0556 or sales@puremediasystems.com. All that will be down below in the description as well. Thanks. Have a great day. you.